Hey guys, this is Anthony from Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. And we're really excited. Why we're excited? Recurring business. There's certain things about construction that always makes us happy. And that's one thing, satisfying our customers. Another thing is when the customers call us back, which, our return rate is so high that we know once we get our foot in that proverbial foot in the door, they're never going back to anybody else. We give a good product for a good price. We mastered the 3 P's, and this is going to be a fourth P: product, price, people, and process. But before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We always love new subscriptions. New subscriptions often lead to new viewership, and new viewership is why we're here. Miss B got us on Instagram or Facebook, one of those sites. But let's get into the video. So, Miss B's project. She, again, we did a kitchen project for her, and then she wanted to do her basement. And she always said, I'm gonna call you back. So her basement project was basically a refresh. And the one unique thing about Miss B is that she has personality to boot. And one of the things about her personality is she's got terminologies for things. So when I got there, she says, I just want to zhuzh it up. Now, for some of you guys, you may know that might be an old word, but for me, it was new to me. And she said zhuzh, I was cracking up. And she says, hey, I'm like, what is a zhuzh? She says, zhuzh is just to make it look good. And that's what we did. So in her basement, what we did was we did a combination of new and old. She already had a finished basement, so we didn't have to really do much to change the config. We just freshed it up. We just zhuzhed it up, as she would say. We put new hardwood flooring, new laminate flooring in it. We did new drywall all the way throughout. We put new windows in. We changed the configuration of her closet space, made it more functional so that when she put stuff in her basement, she can just put it away. We put all new LED lighting in the basement, and we gave it a fresh coat of paint, in addition to resurfacing the stairs. At the end of the day, she was really, really happy. And we were happy to satisfy Miss B. So, we just really want people to know, and most people do know, that at Talley Construction, we master people, process, and product. And sometimes people say, what is that? What that really is people, we have good people. We have a good process. Therefore, it's very easy to put out a good product because repetition with us. We go through customer after customer after customer, and we don't go through the customers, we stay with the customers, or the customers stay with us. And we just really love the ability to be able to keep the same customers all the time. They always are referring us to new people, and we love that as well. But, it's just a testament to the kind of work that we do and the kind of people that we have in any given project. Today, the letter is P. Okay? So, again, Anthony from Talley Construction signing out. If you're in need of a full renovation, partial renovation, if you're in need of a kitchen fit out, some exterior work, give us a call. We are the contractor of choice for so many, not just contractors. We're also called contractors. Developers are using us. And we do mom and pops. So give us a call. Once again, like, comment, or give us a suggestions of what you think we should do. Talley Construction signing out. Peace.